Okay, so this is comparing decimals 3. Here is another problem that you may see on the test. So it says select the number that's greater. That's for A. And then B says select the place value of the digit that are used to decide which number is greater. So I drew the little box thingy. This is how it may come. Then it say part A. It gave you the two numbers, 7.253, and this is 7.235. And then here's part B. We'll get to that in a minute. So, part A, select the place value. Select the number that's greater. So in order to do that, I'm just going to line my numbers going straight up and down. 7.253, because they're already the same. I'm going to compare apples to apples, a decimal to a decimal. I don't have to do anything but line the numbers up. 2, 3, 5, 7.253, 253, 7.235, 7.235. Okay. The only thing I'm going to do is go and look at my numbers and compare each place going up and down. So I cannot tell which number. I have a 7 and a 7 in the whole numbers place. So I can't tell which number is greater because both of the numbers are the same. So let's move to the next number. In the 10th place, I have a 2 and a 2, so I still can't tell which number is greater, so I'm going to move to the next place. Okay, well, in the 100th place, I have a 5 in the first number, a 3 in the second number. I'm looking for the greater number, so I know that 5 is greater. So that means the first number is larger. That's the greater number. So when I go on here, that's my greater number. Oops, there we go. Now part B. Select the place value, that's key, of the digits that are used to decide which number is greater. So when I was comparing each one, what place did I find the greater number to let me know which digit was greater? What place was the digit greater to let me know which number was the greatest? So the digit that let me know which number was greater was in the 100th place. Because remember, the first number behind the decimal is the tenths. The second number behind the decimal is the hundredths. And the third number behind the decimal is the thousandths. So I circled that hundredths place. So I'm going to come down here in part B, hundredths. And that's it. Again, read the question. Don't just look at it and be like, I don't get it. Read the question. Look at what they're asking. What are they asking you to do? How do you solve your problem? That's what you need to think about first. What are they asking you to do? Then how should you solve it? How did I solve it? I line my numbers up and down, and I compare each one. That's how I solved it. Then I circled the largest number, the first number that I came to that was larger, I circled it. And then I had come down here to tell what place value that was in. Well, that 5 was in the hundredths. All right, I'm out. Well, maybe I should give you one. Yeah. Hopefully this don't run out. So do this one. Hey. Let's go 4.355 and 4.345. And what place? Ones or B? Tenths? Hundredths? Or thousandths? Pause the video, do it. Okay, you should have lined the numbers up and down. If you lined them up and down, 4.345, fours, threes, this one is larger, and it's in the hundredths place. Easy cheesy. I'm out.